UFC fighters are in the best shape in the world because of our training. It's a full body workout and it's extremely high intensity.
As a police officer, I need to be healthy and in good cardiovascular shape so I can be there for the community. UFC Fit got me in better shape than I was in the academy because I wasn't combining that diet and I wasn't doing these types of workouts. Now when I do the physical fitness qualifier, I smoke the run, I smoke all the aspects of the competition based on UFC Fit. The academy trained me for my job, UFC Fit trained me for life. With UFC Fit, it was a short time at the beginning of my day to change my life forever.
I got abs. I mean, I literally got them, you know what I mean? With UFC Fit, like, I got world-class training. UFC Fit got me the results that regular workouts never got me.
I can finally show the abs now, whereas before, you know, I kind of had to suck it in.
It's the combination of exercises and the sequence that you do them in that makes a huge amount of difference.
When we say full body, it's full body. I'm talking muscles I never even knew existed. So it didn't just take the weight off one area of my body.
That exercise I feel in my legs, my abs, my arms, my back.
I have lost about 4 inches in my midsection from head to toe.
It's full body intensity training. Now I'm ready to kick some butt.
That's UFC Fit. Keep it up. Are you up for the challenge? How bad do you want it?